Hi, so I've received a new gadget I wanted to show you. Everybody's talking about the Kindle, the ebook by Amazon, and in France we have a company that is doing an ebook that's pretty cool. I mean, it's not perfect yet, but there are a few cool things about it. So I wanted to show you a demo. It's called the Book Gen 3. This is the box. I already opened it, so I will show you what was inside. There were a few cables. There was this leather case, which is pretty nice. Inside you can put the ebook. So it's by a company called Bookeen, Bookeen. So there you go. You can see it here. Okay, you can see it's very slim. Okay. And that's it. So let's start by the control buttons. So here you turn it on. There are a few control buttons here, and here plus minus. I think it's for the zoom or for the MP3. You can also use it as an MP3 player, although I think it's not a very good MP3 player. Here you see you have a pretty big screen. Here you have kind of a pad with a button. It's kind of a trackball and control area. So I'm going to turn it on. All right, turning it on. Okay, you can see. So with the webcam, you don't see, but the quality of the screen is pretty good. I mean, it really feels like paper. So I'm going to start. There you go. It starts to boot. It's not very fast. It's okay, but it's not very fast. Okay, there you go. So here you have a list of the books that you can read. So the cool thing is you can also read. So you can read, of course, ebooks. You can read all kinds of text formats like doc, HTML, PDF. The way you import document is very simple. You have here. I will open it. A small USB connector. Where is it? It's here. You have a small USB connector here. You connect it to your computer. It is recognized as a hard drive, and you just drop documents inside your ebook. You can also download an ebook application on your computer to synchronize that automatically. The cool thing, you can also put RSS, and it will auto synchronize. That's it. So one of the things I regret is that there is only a USB connection. You don't have wireless connection like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and honestly, I hate to have to plug that each time. I think it would be pretty cool if you could simply synchronize over the air your ebook. So let me show you how it works. Let's take an example. Here we have the Da Vinci Code. Right, so this is just a demo. I'm going to get inside. Let me show you. All right. Let's start reading it. I don't know if you see it very well. It's not very easy. So right now there is nothing. And here you see by pressing this button I go to the next page. Each time I go to the next page there is a kind of page refresh. Okay, so there is a kind of flash black screen which is not very nice when you read fast and you go from page to page. But honestly, the reading is really good. I mean, I don't know how good the quality can be, but I mean, it really feels like paper, and I think I wouldn't get tired of reading that. I mean, it really nearly feels that you can grab it and check it, etc., etc. So this is one thing. This is an example. And once you're done, so once you are on a page or on a book, you have all sorts of options. You can add a bookmark if you want to go back to where you are. I don't know if you see that. You have what's the next thing? You have a search function. You can change the layout. You can change the fonts. You can change the font size. And you can go back to the library. Okay, so let me show you how it works with an RSS. I'm going to I've added TechCrunch France. So the good thing is it lists first all the posts that has been imported, and you can see those are hyperlinks, the title of the post. So you just have to pick one of them. Okay, move from one to one, and you can read the post. The bad thing is that it doesn't really take the picture of the post. I don't know, it took a picture of one of our partners on the blog. I have no idea why it took that one, but it doesn't take the picture of the post. The good thing is that it takes the, let me show you, it takes the comments, right? So, oh, it's gone. Right, so you can see here, text the comments. So you can also read the comments, which is nice. And that's it really. I mean, what else do you have to know? There are, let's go through the specifications. So you have the battery life is pretty good. I mean, you can put up to 8,000 pages. You can also view images. So the battery can last very long. I mean, I didn't make a test, but they promise many hours. You can enhance the memory with an external SD card, which is right here. Okay, and that's it really. What else do you have to know? It's very light. It's 174 grams. I don't know how heavy is the Kindle. It's 188 per 8.5 millimeters. And that's it really. So you can find that on Bookeen.com, and this is where this can be showcased for now. I don't know if it can be bought already. I discovered that at the Web3 conference, and I asked the owner if I could try it for a few days, which he accepted, which is very nice. So there you go. Let me show you again. If you like it, let me know. I'm not sure it's as good as the Kindle in a way that it doesn't have the Wi-Fi connection, but it's definitely slimmer. It's nicer. I mean, the only thing that's missing is, I think, when you press a lot of those buttons to go from one page to another, you probably need something like a bit smoother and nicer to the fingers, like maybe a jog or something. But other than that, it's pretty cool. Alright, that's it.